Hello, hello. This is okay. I'm working on a live stream coloring session today. This is going to be on Wendy Wonka, Chapter 2, Issue 3. She's chewing some gum, and this is the beginning of a transformation where a blueberry transformation is going to be happening. The main feature of Issue 3 in this chapter is going to be blueberry. Okay, so even though it will be mostly blueberry, that's what I'm trying. That's what I'm, advertising the most. There is a little bit of there is a little bit more to it. So I don't want to sell it on things that aren't as big as blueberry, but there are going to be other things. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but just want you to know that. All right, I'm going to be coloring her hair and her overalls today. So I'm going to get some blonde hair colored, and also wanted to do this recording to provide an update. It is the 10th today, and Wednesday, June 12th. The pre-order will be coming out. I've just got backgrounds to be doing tomorrow, and then one large environment panel. It could be done tomorrow night, late tomorrow night, but I'm going to go ahead and say Wednesday afternoonish is a definite time that it'll be pre-order will be available. And then the first 7 pages will be ready for viewing. So if you like to pre-order, you know my comics always come with the pages that are already finished, and the first 7 pages are going to be finished and available. It's been a while since I've gotten to do the Wendy Wonka comic, so you might notice a little bit of an update in the artistic style. I'm trying to use heavier ink shading, and just trying to use that. This page right here, she's all in underlit. She's all underlit. And so it's kind of a intense lighting. I've been watching some Netflix movies lately, and I don't know if you've watched my live stream videos, you know that I was talking about The Perfection. I really enjoyed that story. It's a scary movie, and it's got some moments that are cringeworthy, but overall it's a pretty good story, and I liked it. For a horror story on Netflix, you don't get too many good options. So The Perfection is definitely a good one. The other one I watched yesterday was The Autopsy of Jane Doe, and that one was pretty good too. I would recommend it for like a nice Sunday horror movie, not like a Friday night movie. Well, maybe a set. It would be very good to watch this movie at night, because that would really add to the creep factor, because it is very creepy in some spots, because it's all about like dead people, and you just kind of get that spooky feeling while you're watching it. But I wouldn't say it's like an amazing movie. It's good. It's not amazing, but good. The other one I watched today was the Netflix movie original. What is it? I Am Mother. I think that's what it's called. I Am Mother. But it's about the robot and this robot who's raising this girl, and kind of are figuring out why this robot is raising this girl. And I don't know how I ended up feeling about it by the end of the movie. I felt like it was a good movie, but not like a great one. It had great moments, I think, but overall, I think it needed a little bit more in the storytelling aspect to kind of help really sell that the writer knew what he was doing, and or she, and was making a good story. So I don't know. I think it just fell a little bit short, because I would love to have a conversation with anyone who's watched it. I don't want to spoil it for anyone, but I felt like the ending, there was something major in the ending that I was kind of like, what? I need some more information from the writer or director to understand what they were going for at that ending. it kind of got cool, and I was I seen the trailer for that movie. The trailer was like 5 minutes long. It just kept going and going, and I was like, oh crap! I just watched the entire movie. It looked really good, and I was like, that sucks because now I know the whole movie. But even after watching the trailer, it was still suspenseful. So I would recommend not watching the trailer. And if you can watch it without watching the trailer, or if you do happen to see the trailer, I've already seen it, it's not the entire movie. There are still some surprises in there that surprisingly didn't make it into the trailer, even though the trailer was so long and gave away so much. Yeah, good movie. All right, so the location that we're going to be introducing in this issue for Wendy Wonka is going to be called the Crystal Caverns. I was thinking about calling it the Candy Caverns, but I think candy is just a little too broad in general. I think that Crystal Caverns are going to be a little cooler. I feel like that has to be the Crystal Caverns have to be used in some other story or some other video game or something. I highly doubt the Crystal Caverns is original title. But yeah, so we got some gum going on in this page. She's chewing some gum. She's liking it. Our next comic that we're going to be working on is going to be Goddesses of Fertility 2. I'm going to put up the Patreon sketch request contest next month, starting in July. And we're going to run that as we finish Wendy Wonka Chapter 2, Issue 3, this one I'm working on right now. Then we'll start Goddesses of Fertility 2. And I've already started thinking about ideas for that one. I'm thinking there will be a new goddess introduced into the story. We're going to continue with some of the same characters from the issue 1. And we're going to experience all kinds of, transformations and stuff. Maybe not all kinds, but everything related to pregnancy and that kind of theme. So there's going to be probably some like boob and butt, some expansions, some belly definitely. It's not even a question. But I'd like to incorporate some I'd like to incorporate some, like variations of the pregnancy, not just do bellies, just so there's a little bit of variety. All right, so she's got under lighting, and I need to pull this down probably a little bit more. There we go. I think this looks good. I can always go in with a multiply layer and darken the top. I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, so I'm going to deselect that. It's pretty much done. So if I want to just kind of bring a multiply layer in, I'll show you what I'm doing right here. This is a multiply layer. I call it multiply. There's a multiply right there. I am going to grab a gradient. We're just going to use a gradient and pull it down and help reinforce that underlit reinforce the underlight. We can even go darker. Alright, that's about as dark as I want to go. There we are. What gives a more intense kind of feel to the scene. And once I get the backgrounds colored in, it should look really cool. She will be exploding with flavor. Alright. Now, we're going to do some overalls and then we'll be done. If you have any questions for me, I do work over on DeviantArt. My name is OK. You can join my Patreon, also get an even closer experience if you want to chat with me on Discord, or just message me on through Discord. Let's see here. There's behind the scenes photos and drawings that are going up on the Patreon this month. Probably going to upload one today because it's Monday. And every Wednesday and Sunday of this month, a new sketch from, I should say new, a sketch from last month's contest is going to be uploaded to DeviantArt. And Patreon will get the first look at the finished rewards. I've been putting off doing another reward for a few days just because I've been really trying to get this pre-order out this week. I've got some backgrounds to do, and what else? Backgrounds and 2 panels. More like environment panels. And I don't know if you know my style. I like to wait to do the backgrounds until the very last part. I can see why this might not be the best way to do it, but one positive thing from this and why I really like it is because once I start drawing a background, I can kind of wait until the end to figure out what needs to be in the background. I guess it's a little bit of a procrastination aspect to it, but I kind of get going on the backgrounds and then I can just do them real quickly. It's kind of an issue of speed, and also I feel like I'm in the environment and I can start working on it real quick. I feel like I've tried it a couple of different ways, and this way always works the fastest, and I feel like I have a very good sense of what I'm doing when I am working on the backgrounds. Probably just going to do this one overall, and then we'll be done. But I just wanted to let you guys see the process for painting the overalls. Kind of work from creases, and this is underlit, so we're probably going to just blacken in most of this right up here. Not blacken it in, but you know, shade it. We want this one to feel kind of loose, so lots of wide open spaces, not too many creases, I guess, crinkles. In the following panel, we'll have a lot of creases. And I was also thinking about the blueberry transformations, and this will probably be the last blueberry transformation. Well, I stop myself as soon as I'm saying it. It's not going to be the last time I do a blueberry transformation in a while, because there's the Bloom, what's it called, like collection, blueberry collection. It's going to be coming out soon, and been asked to do a comic in it, so I might do a few pages of comic work for the Bloom Phase 2. Alright, we've got some overalls now. I want to lighten this up down there. I don't know if that makes it look more rounded or less rounded. Actually, I think it kind of looks better with there. Okay. All right, we're gonna call it quits for today. Well, I'm gonna keep coloring, but I'm gonna quit recording. The main things that I wanted to remind you of is that Wednesday, June 12th, pre-order is going to be out. Look for it on Gumroad, and it's probably going to be $10, and there's going to be 16 pages planned. I've already gone over the page count in my script, so there might be more than 16 pages. So be on the lookout for that. Hopefully I can get this done before mid-July, but that would be really quick. I might not be able to finish it until the end of July because of the sketch request contest. If you have any questions, be sure to hit me up over on DeviantArt. I'm okay. Thanks for watching, and keep on drawing.